by some scientists, professors or lecturers or students. So you can download these things. It is easy for you to refer. And this is the ResearchGate. To do this, better you create your ResearchGate profile. Even you do right now, even you don't have single publication, still you can create a ResearchGate account and you can download the material. One day, once you publish paper, then you can upload that into your ResearchGate account. Most of our students having that. So if you don't know, you can still yourself create ResearchGate account. All the materials even in the YouTube you can search, or you can contact those students, they will support. And next thing is, same like Google, instead of Google you can use Google Scholar. Google Scholar created by the again researchers who has done some research or who has published some material. They can use, they also has Google Scholar profile. Google Scholar also, even right now if you don't have a publication, still you can create a Google Scholar profile, same like Facebook, same like ResearchGate, you can keep a Google Scholar profile. So here also, after you publish it, it will be available here in the Google Scholar. Then everyone else in the world, they can, rest of the world people, they can download. So as an example, so now I am going to search same subject, solid waste management in Sri Lanka. Then when I search that, here it's not, in the ResearchGate all the PDF files are coming, all the publications. Here all the people's name has appears because whoever done the publication in solid waste management, those people name here, not the publication name. All the people who has done in that area, any research, any publications, those names are here. Then just click one of them. I will click this first one. Then he has done many publications in that area. So then you can easily download the material from here in his page, because most of his publications are related to solid waste management. That is just an example. This is easy because you have plenty of publications, literatures. Because when you do a research, proper research, you have to search at least last 10 years what other people has done in that topic. Any topic, what other people has done, at least considering most recent 10 years, you have to search. Sometimes it may be 40 papers or maybe 100 papers, but at least you can search, then you will have clear idea what other people has done up to now. Then you can identify where you can address in that topic. So this is the another platform, Sci-Hub. Sci-Hub is not a legal platform, that I have to tell that, because this is an illegal one. Reason is there are plenty of journals which we can publish a paper free of charge, but others cannot download free of charge. Whoever want to download our paper, they have to pay in using a credit card, they have to pay to the journal and download. Sometimes it's at $15, $20 or $40 like that. So I will show you that next searching. So I am searching same thing, solid waste management, Sri Lanka, high quality journal paper, it is in the elsewhere. Then several journal papers are appear here. Then I just click first one. When I click first one, it is in one of the journal called waste management. But when I try to download, there's no any download place to this PDF file, only purchase the PDF is there. To purchase, I have to pay around $35. But I am not ready to pay $35 for single paper. Then what you can do, you can, this URL, when you search here, this URL just copy, and then you can come back to the Sci-Hub and you can paste here. There's a searching place in the Sci-Hub. You just paste there like this. Then you can open. When you open, it will bypass that payment gateway. It will bypass the payment gateway. It will allow you to download that file like this. Then after you can open that, then that PDF will be there. So Sci-Hub is illegal one created by one Ukrainian lady. So you can use that any kind of journal paper. If journal asks you to pay, you can download free of charge using this one. Because why am I telling this? Because many journal papers, research papers, high quality things are appearing in the journals which we cannot download free of charge. But when you do a research, when you start your final year research, you have to download those things as well. But where to download? You cannot. Then only thing is bypassing this payment gateway using Sci-Hub. You can do that and then you can download. So up to now we discussed how to do a literature review. To do a literature review, you have to download many journal articles or publications, whatever published already. Now you are in the 2023, so don't try to download whatever published in 1995, 1998, 2000 like that. Because those publications are too old now. Because almost 23 years passed from the 2000, so consider at least from 2010. 2010 to 2023, those publications you can download what other people has done in this subject. All of you has to do that, even you are from ICT, B.Sc or EGT, doesn't matter. If you only consider final year research project, still you have to do this. Because in the final year research project, your second chapter is literature review. You have to write that. To write that, you should have the literatures. Literatures mean already published, online available material. Assume one of your friend has done the project and written a paper, but he haven't published anywhere. It means it's useless. So you cannot use his data. Even he has done in same area, if he has some data, assume both the students are going to do same topic, but he has done 1 year ago. He has done 1 year ago, he has analyzed all the data, he has everything with him, but he never published. Now he is going, next batch he is going to do same topic, but he cannot refer his data because his data is not available online, not published. So it is waste. His data useless. If someone else has to use his data, then first he has to publish that data in some other journal or something as a journal paper or conference paper. Then only someone else can use that. Otherwise it's useless. Why am I conducting this? Most of our students doing research in the final year only. In the final year, as a 6 credit subject module, with other subject you are conducting your research and you don't have time to publish a paper, you have time only to manage to complete your report. Final year research report and then presentation and Viva. So end of the Viva is mean normally Viva happening after final exam in the 8th semester. So you have no other time to do anything, you just want to leave the university, get a degree and either go to the job or something. Then you don't have time to write a paper. So before you doing that, you have to publish at least one paper because for higher studies to get a scholarship you need at least a single paper. So that means you have to do it now. If you are in the final year already, at least now if you haven't published single paper, at least now you can do that parallel to your final year project, because your final year project will finish in the end of the 8th semester. Then you will not have time to publish a paper, you will have time only to manage for completing your report. Why it is important? Completing your report and getting A and A+ is okay, but that will end with your degree certificate. No one else in the rest of the world will not know what you have done. To deliver that your knowledge, to deliver what you have done to other people, then you have to write a paper, you have to write a conference paper and publish it. Otherwise, even high quality research you have done here with the A+ or 100 marks doesn't mean anything. You have done that, it's okay. You can even write in your CV, but no one will know whether you have done it or not. You don't have proof. You maybe have proof with your final year report, but if you are applying for foreign university, how you will send the final year report and those things? Only CV will be there. Then if you have publications, those publications we can send. So that's the case. So you have to publish at least a single paper if you are targeting foreign scholarship or at least if you are targeting to leave this country. Even you don't want to do higher studies, when you don't want to follow masters and Ph.D, even if, at least if you want to leave the country, that is the easiest way. Get the student offer for higher studies and get the visa and go. That is the easiest way to get the visa. Last week it released visa cancelling percentage for Schengen visa for Sri Lanka is 45%. 45%. It means if 100 people apply for the Schengen area, it means like the European Union. If 100 people apply, 45 people's visa cancelled. And my 4 students applied, we applied ourselves. All 4 accepted and they got the visa, now they are in the Norway. So that's why I am telling, if you are applying as a student for higher studies, you have chance to go. If you are applying like a tourist or job visa, it is a very rare case you can get the approval. This is the easy ticket to leave this country, so use that effectively. To use that, you need some qualifications like that, you have to develop that. That's why you have to start now, at least to do a research and do some publications. So now I will tell you which kind of research papers we can do. Normally, paper writing we can do in 2 different ways. One is review paper, one is research paper. If it is a review paper, it means you are not giving your ideas. You are first thing you are selecting the topic, but you are summarizing what other people has done already in that topic. As an example, if your topic is solid waste management, then you have to download all the material at least considering last 10 years, and you have to summarize those things, whatever in those material, into your paper. But even at the end of the paper, you cannot give your ideas, because that is a review paper. You are reviewing someone else's work. So review paper writing means you are deeply searching, deeply looking to that topic, and you are summarizing all the materials available in that topic. You are not giving your ideas. That is good. In one way to start a journal paper writing, that is good because you will learn deep into single subject. If it is subject solid waste management, you will know each and every part of that subject, because you have to search at least last 10 years what other people has done. You have to read and summarize into your paper. Sometimes you can publish instead of review paper, mini review. Mini review means your paper will be 4 or 5 pages, but still you are doing same thing, summarizing, but you are not considering long history, maybe 4 or 5 years, then you are summarizing. To start your publications, at least you can start with something like that. You don't have to do it alone. You can be a group, even 6-7 people, and you can do this. Why am I telling you to do this? We have a student with you here, even your third year student, who has more than 5 publications already. So when you are applying with those students, then you have to understand where you will be. Even you are coming with first class, does not matter. Those students, if they just completed with the second law, that is enough. They have added qualifications already to claim for the scholarship. Even they are going for the job, that is fine, because they have done several projects or research. Then industry will understand you can handle a project. End of the project, you have some proof here as a publications. End of the project, you have done the publications, then you have a proof. Then project industry people can understand, oh, you can handle a project successfully and complete it. So that's why it is important. Even you don't want to do a higher studies, and if you want to do a job here, still to make your CV nice and strong, you have to do some kind of project and research. First thing is review paper. If you complete a review paper as a paper writing, then you can publish only in a journal. You cannot publish in a conference. Even you have heard, probably we also having a conference here in the faculty. You cannot publish a review paper because you haven't done something new. You have summarized what other people